Let's move on to the state of Bengal. Ahead of Panchayat elections, there's violence, vandalism, mayhem. And this, remember, at a time when authorities are taking cognizance of the matter. The nomination has been currently on. And so far, 9 people have shockingly lost their life ahead of Panchayat election violence in the state. BJP has slammed Mamata government, State Election Commission as well, that they have slammed, claiming TMC is threatening, blackmailing candidates to withdraw their nominations. BJP has accused the state police of working as allegedly ruling party members. BJP is planning to file a contempt of court case before the Calcutta High Court against the Bengal Election Commission. Now, the opposition is stepping up ante against the ruling TMC. They are saying when there was clearly a court direction to deploy central forces ahead of Panchayat elections, why was that not followed? The Congress has jumped in as well. Remember, a Congress party worker was shot dead in Bengal. Congress is slamming the TMC, accusing it of creating an atmosphere of fear, due to which people, specifically candidates, are living under fear.
इलेक्शन डिक्लेयर होने के बाद लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इलेक्शन कमीशन का अंडर में आ जाता है. नाइदर राज्यपाल नॉर एनीवन इज अबव लॉ. लॉ का अबव कोई नहीं है. तो अभी इस टाइम राज्यपाल ऐसे कम कर सकता है कि नहीं कर सकता, ये बड़ा सवाल है. ही हैज स्टार्टेड एक्टिंग एज ए स्पोक्स पर्सन एंड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ बीजेपी.
यहाँ बीजेपी की क्यों बात आ रही है? ये लोग डरे हुए हैं जी. इतना एक्टिव हो गए गवर्नर, उनको तो जगन्नाथ जैसा घर में बैठना चाहिए था, लेकिन वो खुद जाके मामला कर रहे हैं, लोगों में मिल रहे हैं, लोगों में हिम्मत बढ़ रहा है. और जैसे कि गवर्नर जा रहे हैं स्पॉट पर, आप लोग मीडिया वाले भी जा रहे हैं, पूरी घटना सामने आ रही है.
बिना दहशतगर्द, बिना तनाव, बिना हिंसा बंगाल में पंचायत चुनाव ये नामुमकिन है, ये असंभव है. चाहे जो भी भरोसा बंगाल के सत्तारूढ़ पार्टी दे और खुद मुख्यमंत्री दे, इसका कोई मूल्य से कोई अहमियत आप लोगों के पास नहीं है. लोग डरे हुए हैं. आप जाइए, हमारे दफ्तर में भी जो उम्मीदवारों ने नामांकन दर्ज किए घर में नहीं रह सकते, डर की मारे उन लोगों को भागने पड़ी और सारे हमारे पार्टी दफ्तर में आके रुके. या हम लोग शरण दिए हैं.
So I want to now go to the ground in Bengal to understand the current situation. Ritik Mondal is joining me from Kolkata. Ritik, what is the status like right now in Bengal? There has been a lot of steps even by the courts that have been announced, but has anything changed on the ground?
Pooja, Bengal remains on edge and violence continues. Remember, in last 10 days, 9 people have lost their lives. Some of them belongs to ruling party itself, and currently, in most of the cases, what the allegations are being raised against the ruling Trinamool Congress, that the candidates of opposition parties, they are being intimidated by the ruling supporters as the nominations gets over. And as you know that the State Election Commission and the state government have jointly moved Supreme Court challenging the High Court's order to deploy central forces in across Bengal just ahead of Panchayat election. And what we know, as per the sources inside the State Election Commission is concerned, they will appeal to the before the Apex Court to hear the matter over the deployment of central forces. And they don't want, they have challenged the High Court's order. So they are going to, urge the Apex Court to hear the matter in an urgent basis. But as for the BJP is concerned, they have stated, the Subhendu Adhikari has stated that he said that they are likely to file a fresh appeal before the Calcutta High Court, that as High Court's order were not followed, that High Court on Thursday in order to deploy central forces within 48 hours, and it's been already 48 hours past, and the State Election Commission did not requisition to center for deploy central forces in tensions on areas of Bengal just ahead of Panchayat election. So BJP is likely to file a fresh contempt of court case before the Calcutta High Court today. Back to you, Peter.
Ritik, please keep tracking the latest. Remember, ahead of Panchayat elections, which are hyper-local elections, and yet so much vandalism that's taken place in the state of Bengal.